So we're out in my son's Toyota Tacoma. This is a 2011 model. And if you've got one of these models, and you've probably realized by now how small this cup holder is. These are a little bit bigger, but still the problem with these is you take like a Yeti style cup, you stick down in there, then whenever you go to get a drink, the whole thing comes out. So sometimes you just keep it in there, you go ahead and drink, and then you stick it back down in there. Other times you're fighting to try to get it out. And it'd be nice if, you know, if you could use this one, but it's just not quite big enough for this style cup. Now this is the Walmart version. I also have an Arctic. Same deal. The Arctic's even bigger on the bottom. And then I have it's some generic brand. I don't even know what brand this is. It doesn't fit in there either. So what I did is I made an adapter on the 3D printer. I'll put the files on Thingiverse. I'll put the link in the description. And the way this works is you just put it down in there and voila. You've got your cup holder that your Yeti style cup will fit in without going anywhere. The Arctic will fit it. It's a little bit looser on the Arctic, and the Arctic doesn't quite go down there as deep, but nonetheless it does fit. Try this generic one. This generic one fits. But my recommendation is just stick with the Walmart ones. They're $7, and they are just as good. I actually tested these, and there's plenty of YouTube videos that show that these are just as good as a Arctic or a Yeti. But as you can see, you're good to go now, and virtually almost free for this adapter. If you have a 3D printer, print you one of these out. The nice thing about it, whenever it gets all crudted up down in the bottom, you just pull it out, put it in the dishwasher, clean it, come back, put it back in. Good to go. So anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. It takes about, I think, 12 hours, if I'm not mistaken, to print. At least with the settings that I used, which I don't remember what those settings are. But you can tweak your settings however you want to, you know, to print it out. And anyway, that's all there is to it. Just so you know, the measurements that I took for this was based on the Walmart cup. So that is why the Walmart cup fits it best. But I don't have a Yeti to try it. I was never insane enough to spend $45 on basically a thermos when you can get a thermos for $10. Thermos is, you know, uses the same exact principle that a Yeti does. It's just a vacuum gap. You know, basically you've got a double wall container here that they've pulled a vacuum on, and heat or cold cannot travel through a vacuum. It's super simple physics. They've known about that for 100 years, and that's why thermos has been around for so long. So anyway, enough of that. Punch out one of these adapters if you need one for your Tacoma. You guys take care.
Surfshark is an easy-to-use security tool for you and your whole family. Want to know how? Peter can unblock all of the sports events anytime. Olivia can enjoy unrestricted entertainment on the go. Jimmy can surf the web safely while on public Wi-Fi. Amanda can share her moments on any social media from anywhere in the world. Surfshark is here for all of you.